Oh wow. I am disgusted.
Ooh, I'm shiny. Thank you, Bella Galore. Welcome back to my bathroom. We're all about building skills, using talents, and finding new hobbies. And today we're doing or redoing the makeup challenge. 10 minutes. Listen, I reviewed and reviewed and reviewed and reviewed and reviewed and calculated and investigated why I could not pass this challenge before. A lot of things going wrong with this video. I was doing things out of order. Bronze. Oh no. Eyebrows. I spent way too much time on my eyeshadow. This side is higher than this side. I was forgetting steps and missing steps. Oh, I should have did my highlighter first, huh? Quite stressed up out. This time I have it so I cannot mess up. So here's my game plan. I have a list of steps on my wall. I have 6 total steps. The eyes part is probably making this about 10, 11 steps, but I'm gonna try to get it done really quickly. I have everything laid out, brushes, everything from the products to the brushes laid out on my sink in order, so I cannot mess this up. 2 colors only. I might end up feeling like I'm spending too much time in doing just one. We'll see. The plan is 2 colors only. Simple makeup look. Nothing crazy. No bright major colors. I'm going to work, for Christ's sake. There's no reason for me to try to do some type of crazy fashion anything. Right. I have primer on my face already. My beauty blenders are wet. That moment when you have to remind yourself to moisture blenders. And I'm good to go. Alright, so I'm going to zoom this in. Hello, how you doing? Good morning. I'm scared to start this timer, but I actually need to because I have to go. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. All right, 10 minutes, starting now. Foundation. That troll music is in my mind right now. Let me play it for y'all so y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, I spent 1 minute on foundation. Conceal, which is kind of used as a highlight because you do it underneath here. Right, you do it underneath here. Oh, I should have did that later actually. I have a big forehead, I think. So I try to make it so, okay. I try to make it so I don't use that much highlighter and a lot more bronze. Baking with my baking powder. I feel like there was barely anything on. Oh, there's concealer. I mean, there's baking powder in my sink now. Cool. Cool, baked, or it's starting to. Eyebrows. Using my Bella Galore eyebrow pencil. Switching sides on this Bella Galore pencil. Listen, if you missed my unboxing of my Bella Galore products or my first attempt, go ahead and click the cards above. Now I'll conceal under my eyebrows. Because yes, I bought all of these wonderful Bella Galore products that I actually do love. Like, no lie. Okay, I have 5 minutes left. Normally I would wait and bake my concealer on, but I ain't got time for that right now. I'm using this brownish color, and I'm gonna try to go for a halo look. God willing, it doesn't look crazy in my rush. Because I already feel like this side is a little bit too dark. And I already want to change the colors and wipe it off and change the colors.
Koji.
You can tell I'm rushing because look at this application. Let me try to blend it out a bit. You know, when I color matched this on my hand earlier, it did not look this bad. I'm spending too much time on this. I have 3.5 minutes left. So I'm gonna... Okay. Then I'm gonna take my blending brush. I'm not putting nothing back in order, y'all. I'm gonna take my blending brush again and try to I'm not happy with that at all. I have 3 minutes left though. But the worst of it is done. Well, really, no, it's not. Because I still have to do eyeliner. Alright. I feel like I'm gonna leave a B right now. Next is eyeliner. This time I'm gonna have to get close to the mirror because I can't do eyeliner this far away. Okay, sorry if y'all didn't see that. I'm just trying to get it right. And right on the first time.
Bruh.
Oh wow. I am disgusted. You better talk to her before I do, because I'm hurt her feelings.
It's okay.
So you're a liar.
I want to take a little bit of extra time. Okay, mascara. I have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Okay. Why do I open my mouth? Do y'all have weird makeup faces too like that? Where you gotta open your mouth and look crazy as you're doing it? I need at least 2 passes on both eyes. $50 seconds, bronze. Okay. $30 seconds. I'm about done though. See, look, now I have to lower my eyebrows and look menacing in order to get this part done. Oh, there's way too much bronze on the one side. 10 seconds. I'm gonna quickly do our chin. And in 5 seconds, I'm going to So I again, I have to go. So I'm gonna take off my scarf. This is the finished look right now. Hopefully it's not too crazy and rushed. Ooh, I'm shiny. Thank you, Bella Galore. Black owned, sister owned. Go support a sister. I'm gonna link it in the details below. But listen, y'all know that my makeup never looks right in the bathroom. So I'm gonna take y'all outside and we'll talk there. Okay, so I'll be the first to admit that I cheated. Well, I didn't cheat because I did look presentable at 10 minutes, right? That was the goal, but I'm going to work. I have people to like kind of impress. So I did fix up my forehead bronze. I did add a little bit of bronze on both sides of my nose because I had forgot. And what else did I do? Oh, and I added some highlighter for some shimmer. Ooh, I wish I had more time. Obviously, I still like need to get to work. But I don't think I failed this challenge this time. You know, we're all about being open-minded and free-spirited too, so I had to try this challenge again. So if you're interested in the sweater dress that I have on, I did a flamingo try-on haul a while back. I'll link it in the cards above. If you're interested in my hair, I did this on my vlog channel, Nate Tries Vlogs, and I did this on my way to Colorado. I was preparing it for my Christmas trip to Colorado, so if you're interested in that, check out my vlog channel, Nate Tries Vlog. If you want to be my friend, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is every week. And remember to be open-minded, free-spirited as you try these things and go through your life. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, friends. Not with this train beeping in the background. I'll wait. Like a teacher, I'll wait.